After 3 weeks in jail, Aryan Khan is all set to finally walk out after the Bombay High Court last evening granted some legal relief, granted bail to Shah Rukh Khan's son in the cruise drug bust case. He is expected likely to walk out of jail by this evening or by tomorrow morning. India Today has learned that Aryan, who's been lodged in the Arthur Road jail in Mumbai for the last 3 weeks, will have to wait for a bail order from court that will only come by afternoon, and from there a release order will be issued and it will be taken to the Arthur Road jail. Once the release order reaches the Arthur Road jail, the jail administration will finish up the paperwork that usually takes about an hour or so, and once that's done, Aryan Khan will be allowed to walk out of jail. But for Aryan to be released today, that paper, the order should reach the jail administration by 5:30 this evening, and any minute after that Aryan will get to leave prison. If it doesn't happen, then he will be able to leave only tomorrow morning if the papers reach the jail post 5:30.
It could be Aryan Khan's last night in Arthur Road prison. Shah Rukh Khan's son could be going home on Friday or at the latest on Saturday. Aryan has spent 21 days so far at the Arthur Road prison since he was held by the Narcotics Control Bureau on 2nd October. Aryan's friend Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha, two other arrested after the cruise drug bust, have also been given bail.
The court has granted bail to all the petitioners, Aryan Khan, Munmun and Arbaz Khan. The court has heard the case for more than 2 or 3 days and the court has granted bail just now. The detailed order will be given tomorrow and hopefully all the 3 petitioners will come out of jail either tomorrow or on Saturday.
Aryan's bail came after 3 days of hearing in the Bombay High Court. Former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi gave weight to the case for a bail with forceful defence.
The most important thing is that the observations and the complete orders are yet to be passed. But however, what happened today in the court is that the NCB gave their counter submissions against our bail applications and argument submissions. Accused number 1's lawyer stood up and he just started giving rebuttals. And thereafter, there were 2 more rebuttals which were supposed to going on, including our rebuttal. But before that itself, the court just allowed the application of all the 3. So we are happy with that.
The Narcotics Bureau fought tooth and nail to oppose Aryan's bail plea. It said Aryan was a habitual drug consumer and he was in constant touch with allegedly the drug peddlers. The Narcotics Control Bureau further argued Aryan knew that Arbaz was carrying drugs and accused him of conscious possession of drug substances. The agency also said there was evidence to show bulk purchase of drugs. What probably worked for Aryan Khan was that the drug control body based its arguments solely on WhatsApp conversations. Rohatgi countered the WhatsApp chats as evidence, saying they were from 2018 and 2019 and had no connect to the cruise boat case. He also said the admissibility of electronic devices as evidence was a violation of personal liberty.
Granting of bail is only an immediate relief for Aryan Khan. In the long run, he actually has a long legal battle to deal with to prove his innocence, to prove that he had nothing to do with this particular case. With cameraman Raju Inamdar in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Let's take this across now to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates. Pankaj, good morning. Aryan Khan finally has gotten bail, but there's still a long process to go. He's not going to get to walk out in hours from now. We understand that the bail order is yet to come and then it has to go through all of those formalities of getting the necessary signatures and the paperwork going through. Does it actually look likely that Aryan is going to walk out of jail today?
Good morning, Akshita. So big relief for the first 3 respondents, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha. They have been granted bail by the Bombay High Court yesterday, and detailed order is expected only by late afternoon today. As you rightly pointed out, there's going to be a series of processes, legal processes that will have to be followed. Since the Aryan Khan's case has not been listed in the cause list, it is likely that the judge is going to dictate the order in his chamber. Once that is done, the order is then going to go to the NDPS court. Then the release orders are going to come in. And then those orders will have to be taken to the Arthur Road jail where Aryan Khan is currently lodged. And then the processes at the Arthur Road jail might take anywhere between half an hour to 1 hour or even 2 hours. And if the process is completed, say by 5:30 in the evening, only then there is a probability that perhaps Aryan Khan could walk out of the Arthur Road jail today. Otherwise, with all the formalities completed, he could be seeing a Saturday release. So yes, it might take some time, but the big relief for Aryan Khan has been that the Bombay High Court has provided bail. Formalities are going to be completed today, and the detailed order is expected only by late afternoon.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those details. We'll be tracking the latest that comes in from Mumbai.